Hello, welcome to another program tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to do the C program. How to make a program that calculates the value of pi. So we start with the regular routines like standard foot. Yeah. Right, pi should be solved, and plus size value. And this is the value of pi. And to display pi, we need to use a printf function, and so we'll return pi. And return 0 means we return to the system and compile it, execute, and okay, I made a small mistake. I'll have to rectify it. Because I'll rectify the issue, then we're going to finish. There. Power run, execute it, and so the okay, and there is a problem here. And there we go. This is pi.exe. Sorry for the discrepancies. I'm a beginner programmer, and this is my first tutorial on how to code. Thanks for watching, and peace out.